In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a search on Redfin. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get a link to a saved search and send it to anyone so you can stay on the same page with a partner, friend, or agent. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Redfin. You can type Redfin into a search engine or go directly to the official redfin.com site in your address bar. Make sure you select the genuine Redfin result so you land on the correct homepage and avoid any sponsored lookalikes. Once you're on Redfin, click the Join Sign In option at the top right and log in to your account. Signing in is important because it lets you access your saved items across devices. Enter your credentials as you normally would and complete any verification Redfin asks for. When you're signed in, you'll see your name or a profile icon in the top right corner. Next, click your name or profile icon to open the account menu and choose Save Search from the dropdown. This takes you to your Save Searches area, where Redfin keeps the searches you've saved in the past. You should see a list of those searches, each usually labeled by location or criteria. From that list, click the specific search you want to share to open it. Give the page a moment to load. You'll see the map, filters, and matching homes that belong to that saved search. Take a quick glance to confirm it reflects what you want others to see. Things like the area, price range, and home types. If needed, refresh the page so everything is up to date. With the search open, go to your browser's address bar and click once to highlight the full URL. Copy it using your usual method like Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. This link includes the parameters for the search, so anyone who opens it will land on the same set of results. Now paste that link into any messaging app, text thread, or email. If the message previews the link, that's fine. The recipient can tap or click to view the search in their browser or the Redfin app. Keep in mind that listings change over time, so results may update as new homes appear or existing ones go off the market. That's it. You opened Redfin, signed in, went to your saved searches, opened the one you want, and copied the URL to share. Thanks for watching, and happy home hunting.